Hi there. On this short video, I wanted to show you how you can embed your Embed Reviews widget inside your Blogger. That can be your posts or pages. To get started, you will need the Pro plan for Embed Reviews or any plans above it so you can connect your Google or Facebook reviews. So to get started, you can click the widget section. If you don't have a widget created, you can just click the new widget option and follow the steps from there. Or if the widget is already created, you can just click edit. From here, you will take the code from the embed section and copy the code. Then you will navigate to your Blogger. That can be either again from your pages or the posts. It will be the same steps. So from here, I'll click the posts and I'll just change the view from here to an HTML view. From here, I'm just pasting the HTML code copied from the EmbedSocial website. And if you want to directly publish this live, just click publish. Or if you want to see a preview, just click the preview button. Here it is. If you need any help to embed the widget inside the Blogger, please feel free to reach us on a live chat and we will be happy to help. Thank you.